In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a floating button in Elementor. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option and hover your mouse over it. A small submenu will appear. From there, choose the editor option to open the Elementor interface. Once Elementor is open, look over to the top right of the screen and click on Edit Site, so you're working on the layout where you want the floating button to appear. Now that you're in the editor, we're going to add the actual button. At the very top left of the Elementor editor, you'll see a small plus or grid icon that opens the widget panel. Click that icon to reveal all the available widgets. In the search bar, type button and then select the standard button widget from the results. Drag and drop it into the area you'd like to work with. With the button selected, look at the left-hand panel under the Content tab. Here, you can fully customize how your button looks and behaves. Choose the button type, such as default, info, or primary, depending on your design. Change the button text to whatever call to action you want, like contact us or get help. Add the link where you want users to be taken when they click the button. You can also add an icon if you want a visual cue, and set a button ID if you plan to target this button with custom CSS or scripts later. Next, we'll make it float. Still with the button selected, switch from the Content tab to the Advanced tab in the left panel. Scroll until you find the Position section. Open the drop-down on the right side and change the position to Fixed. This is what allows the button to stay visible, even when someone scrolls the page. Now choose the horizontal orientation, either left or right. Once you pick a side, adjust the horizontal offset, for example around 20 pixels, so it sits comfortably from the edge of the screen. Then choose the vertical orientation, either top or bottom, and set the vertical offset, maybe around 100 pixels, so it's not too close to the browser edge or overlapping other elements. Keep an eye on the live preview in the center of the screen as you adjust these values. Fine-tune the offsets until the button appears exactly where you want it, and doesn't block important content, especially on mobile. When you're happy with how your floating button looks and behaves, go to the top right of the editor and click the button to save or update your changes. Your floating button is now live and ready to use.